A very good morning and warm welcome to Standard 10th. Today we are going to continue with Max 2, chapter number 5, Coordinate Geometry, second part. So in the second part, before we begin with the exercise, practice it. So let's learn some few formulas regarding the section formula. Today we are going to learn midpoint formula and the centroid formula. So the coordinate, first we will learn about the section formula. The coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joined by two distinct points x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the ratio m:1. So the ratio of the point is what the ratio of the line segment is what m:n. When the ratio is given, so according to the section formula, the coordinate points is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma. This is for finding the x coordinate. Now to finding the y coordinate, m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. This is the section formula to find the coordinate point of which divides the line segment joined by two distinct points. Okay. Now we will learn the midpoint formula. The coordinates of midpoint of a line segment joining two distinct points, that is, the points are x1, y1 and x2, y2 are x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is midpoint formula. Now let us learn the centroid formula. If x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are the vertices of triangle, then coordinates of the centroid are coordinates, okay, are x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. This is the centroid formula to find the coordinates of the centroid. Okay, so let us begin the practice set 5.2. In the 5.2 exercise, practice it. Okay, practice it. We are going to use all these formulas according to the question. So question number 1, find the coordinates of point P divides the line segment joining the points A. The point A value is -1, 7 and B 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so here we are having the coordinate of A and B, okay, and we are having a ratio 2:3. So M value is 2, N value is 3. Let the coordinates of point P be x, y, because P coordinate we have to find. Okay, P is dividing the line segment, so we are considering as x, y, and A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2 be the given points. So the x1 is -1, okay, y1 is 7, x2 is 4 and y2 x2 is 4 and y2 is -3. M value is 2, N value is 3 by section formula. So the section formula is x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Let's substitute the value 2. The value of x2 is 4 plus n value is 3. X1 value is -1 upon 2 plus 3. So we will be having 8 minus 3 upon 5. That is 5 upon 5 is equal to 1. Y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. So we are going to substitute the value. The value of m is 2, y2 is minus 3, plus n value is 3. I'm sorry, y1 value is 7 upon 2 plus 3. So after doing the calculation, equal to 6 minus 6 plus 21 upon 5. 15 upon 3. When we do the calculation, we will be having as 3. Therefore, the coordinate points of P is 1, 3 is the answer. Okay. Now question number 3. Find the ratio in which the point T minus 1, 6 divides the line segment joining the points P minus 3, 10 and Q is 6, minus 8. So we are having a segment called PQ that divides the point T. Here we are having P coordinate, Q coordinate and T coordinate. We have to find the ratio. Ratio means M is to N value we have to find. So we are considering P is x1 y1, Q is x2 y2 and T is x, y be the given point. And x1 value is minus 3, y1 value is 10, x2 value is 6, y2 value is 8, x value is minus 1, y value is 6. Okay. By the section formula. So we know the section formula. X is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. So x value we know that minus 1, m value we don't know, x2 value is 6 plus n and x1 value is minus 3 upon m plus n. Now what I'll do, m plus n is in the denominator. I will bring it in the left hand side. Okay. When I bring it in the left hand side, m plus m will become minus m minus n is equal to 6m minus 3n. So now I will bring n terms in left hand side, m term in the right hand side. So n minus n plus 3n is equal to 6m plus m. 2n is equal to 7m. Therefore, m upon n is equal to 2 upon 7. So, the ratio of m is to n is what? 2 is to 7. So, we will write like this. Therefore, the point T divides segment PQ in the ratio T is to 2 is to 7. So, children, this is the way we can find the ratio of the point. Now, let's move to the next sum. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which the point P is k, 7 divides the segment joining A 8, 9 and B is Question number 5. Find the ratio in which point P, k, 7 divides the segment joining A 8, 9 and B 1, 2 and also find K. So let A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2 and B is x, y be the given points. Your x1 is 8, y1 is 9, x2 is 1, y2 is 2, x is equal to k and y is equal to 7. So now we will write the bisection formula. The section formula is y is equal to m2 plus y n1 m plus n. So y value is 7, 2 m plus 9 n m plus n. So we are bringing m plus m in the left hand side. So when I bring it to the left hand side, we have to multiply 7 inside the bracket. It should be like this. Okay, 7 m plus n. So when I multiply 7 inside, so we will get like this. Okay, so 7m plus 7n is equal to 2m plus 9n. Therefore 5m is equal to 2n is equal to m upon n is 2 upon 5. Now we x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 m plus n. So we know the value of m is 2 and n is 5. So we will substitute that and the remaining value. X value is k, 2, m value is 2, x2 value is 1 plus n value is 5, x1 value is 8, m value is 2 plus n value. So we will have k is equal to 2 plus 40 upon 7, 42 upon 7. So when I cancel 7 1 is 7, 7 6 are 42. So the value of k is 6. I hope children you are understanding. Question number 6. Find the coordinates of midpoint of the segment joining the points 22, 20 and 0, 6. So we have a coordinate. We have to find the coordinate of the midpoint of the segment joining. This is the one segment point, the another point. A segment starting point and the ending point. We have to find the midpoint coordinates. Okay. So we are considering, let a is x1 y1, that is a is equal to 22 20, that is x1 is 21, y1 is 20, and b is equal to x2 y2. So b is 0 16. Let the coordinate of the midpoint value is p x y. By midpoint formula, the midpoint formula is x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, that is equal to 22 plus 0 upon 2, that is equal to 11 if we do the calculation. Y is equal to y1 plus y2. This is midpoint formula, children. Don't get confused from where we get it. Okay, like section formula, we have a midpoint formula also. Y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is equal to y1 value is 20. 20 plus 16 upon 2 is equal to 36 upon 2. When we divide is equal to 18. Therefore the coordinate point of the midpoint of the segment joining 22, 0 and 0, 16 are 11 upon 18 is the answer. 11 is the coordinate of x, y is the 18 is the coordinate of y. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 7. Find the centroids of the triangle whose vertices are given below. So the vertices coordinates are given. We have to find the centroid coordinates. Okay, so we have one coordinate name is, one vertices name is vertices minus 7, 6, 2, minus 2, another is 8, 5. So there are many sums in this. I am solving only one in this. So we are considering point A as x1, y1 is equal to A minus 7, 6. B is x2, y2, that is 2, minus 2. C is x3 minus y3, 8, 5. So we know the centroid formula. The centroid formula very easy, like midpoint x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. So we will put the value minus 7 plus 2 plus 8 upon 3. So when we do the calculation, 3 upon 3 is equal to 1. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So we will substitute the value 6 minus 2 plus 5 upon 3, that is equal to 9 upon 3. When we do calculation, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So answer is 3. So therefore the coordinates of the centroid is 1, 3. By this in this way you can solve the remaining sums or remaining sub questions of question number 7, dear children. So centroid formula is x is equal to x1 plus y1 plus x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Y is equal to find the coordinates of y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Don't forget. Okay, So I hope you children, you can solve the remaining sums of question numbers, sub question of question number 7. When we do the calculation, be very careful about the minus signs. Question number 8. In triangle ABCG is 4 minus 4 comma minus 7 is the centroid. So centroid point is given. Okay, A is one of the vertices. Okay, that coordinate is minus 14 comma minus 19, and B is 3 comma 5, and they find the coordinate of C. So we have to find the coordinate of C. Okay, so let G is the centroid, so we will consider x comma y, that is x value is minus 4 and y value is minus 7. A is one of the vertices, so we will consider x1 comma y1, that is A is minus 14 and minus 19, and B is one of the vertices, x2 comma y2 is equal to B minus 3 comma 5. Let the coordinate of C be x3 comma y3. G is the centroid which we know, children. So let us see, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. So we know the whatever value we know, we will substitute. Minus 4 is equal to minus 14 plus 3, and x3 we have to find because this is the coordinate of C, right, upon 3. So minus 12. So when I bring this 3 this side, so multiply minus 4 comma minus 4 multiply 3 is minus 12 is equal to minus 11 plus x3. x3 is equal to minus 12. When I bring this 11 that side, plus 11. So x3 is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. y1 value, y is minus 7, minus 9 is equal to minus 19 plus 5 plus y3 upon 3. Don't think the teacher is reading as it is. It's all the value of y1, y2 and y3. We don't know the value, and y value, okay, is minus 7. So let's do the calculation. Minus 3 multiply 3 is minus 21 is equal to 9. Minus 19 plus 4 is minus 14 plus y3. y3 is equal to minus 21 plus 14, that is equal to y3 is minus 7. Therefore the coordinate point of C is minus 1 comma minus 7. Dear children, it's a very easy and very simple lesson, children. Only thing you have to keep in mind is the calculation. Okay, so let's move on to the next sum, children. Question number 10. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment AB. A is 2 comma 7 and B is minus 4 comma 8. So we have a segment called AB that is divided into 3 sections. Tri means how much? 3 sections. In the same way, we have 2 more questions that where we have the segment is divided into 5 sections, 6 sections, 7 sections. So I am solving for the 3 sections. The same way you have to solve the remaining also. Okay, so I have a segment AB where that we have it is divided into 3 sections. So find the coordinates of the points of 3, that 3 section ka points coordinates we have to find. Okay, so I am solving only one sum. The remaining 10th sum I am solving, 11th and 12th. It's same kind of question. You can solve, we can refer this sum and you can solve it. So 2 comma 7, A is 2 comma 7, B is minus 4 comma 8. Suppose the point P and Q trisects a segment AB. So if you see, children, 1 section, 2 section, 3 section, right? So we have so which is that point dividing that 3 section? Point P and Q is dividing in the segment AB in 3 sections. So that's why it is written like this. Suppose the point P and Q trisection the segment AB. Whenever it should be equal. So AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Okay, if it is a 5, it is dividing into 5. So we will have how many points in between? We will be having a 4 points, and that 4 we will be having a 4 segments, equal segments, like this we have to write. So let AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB is equal to X. AP upon PB is equal to AP upon PB is equal to AP upon PQ. PB can be written as PQ plus QB. So since we know that the value of AP is x and down is x plus x is equal to x upon x, that is equal to half. Therefore, the point P divides the segment AB in the ratio 1:2. So the coordinates of P is, first we will find the coordinate of P, then we will find the coordinate of Q. The P is m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. We know the value of m is 1, n is 2, because we just now we have found the ratio in the ratio divided into the ratio 1:2. So m value is 1, n value is 2. So we will substitute the value 1 multiply minus 4, that is x2 value, plus 2 multiply 2, that is x1 value, plus 1 plus 2, minus 4 plus 4 upon 3, that is 0 upon 3 will be 0. Likewise for y coordinate of P, m x y2 plus n y1 m plus n, 1 multiply minus 8 plus 2 multiply 7, 1 plus 2, minus 8 plus 14 upon 3 is equal to 6 upon 3 is equal to 2. So the coordinate point of P is what? 0, 2. Same way we will find the coordinate of Q2. Okay, see, the coordinate point of P is 0, 2. Therefore, the Q is the midpoint of PB. Now we are going to find the coordinate of Q. Q is the midpoint of PB. So let's see the figure and so now if we observe the figure, children, Q is the midpoint of segment PB. So we will apply midpoint formula now. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 upon 2. So we know the value of x1 is 0. So this is point P value, okay, and this is B value. 0 plus minus 4 upon 2, that is equal to minus 4 upon 2, that is equal to minus 2. Y coordinate of Q is y1 plus y2 upon 2. Y1 is the value of coordinate of P. So 2 plus minus 8 upon 2, that is equal to minus 8 upon 2 is minus 6 upon 2, that is equal to minus 3. Therefore the coordinate of Q are minus 2 comma minus 3. Therefore the coordinates of the point of trisection of segment AB are 0 comma 2 and minus 2 comma minus 3. So here this is question number 12. As teacher said, this is dividing into 5 segments. Okay, I will solve little, then you understand and do it by yourself. So A is 20 comma 10, B is 0 comma 20 are given. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the segment AB into 5 congruent parts. How much? 5 congruent parts. So we are suppose point C, D, E, F. So if it is a 5 congruent parts, how many points will be there between? 4 points will be there. So we are considering 4 points in between the segment AB. C, D, E, F divides the segment AB in the 4 congruent points. So this is C like this. So we can write AC is equal to CD is equal to DE is equal to EF is equal to FB. Okay, is dividing into equal parts. So AC upon CB is equal to AC upon CD plus CB can be written as CD plus DE plus EE plus FB. This is the reason, that is, or all are collinear. So we are considering each equal segment as X. So X upon x plus x plus x plus x, that is equal to x upon 4x, that is equal to 1 upon 4. The ratio is what? The ratio m is to n is 1 upon 4. Same way we will find, children, the point point C divides the segment AB in the ratio 1:4 by the section formula. X coordinate of C mx2 plus mx1 upon m plus n. 1 multiply 0 plus 4 multiply 20 plus 4, that is 80 upon 5 is equal to, when we divide we will get 16. The coordinate of x of C is 16. Coordinate of y is m plus y2 plus m n y1 upon m plus n. 1 multiply 20 plus 4 multiply 10 upon 1 plus 4, that is 60 upon 5 is 12. The coordinate of point C is 16 upon 12. Now in the same way we will find the coordinate of E. Okay, E is the midpoint of segment CB. Okay, now using this midpoint formula. Okay, so x coordinate of E is x2 x1 plus x2 upon 2, that is 10. 16 is the coordinate of C. Okay, just now we have found 16 plus 0 upon 2, 16 upon 2 is 8. The y coordinate of E is 1, y1 plus y2 upon 2. The y value is 12. 12 plus 20 upon 2 is 32 upon 2. When we divide, we will get the value of 16. The coordinate of E are 8 upon 16. Now D is the midpoint of segment CE. Same way, children, you can find the value of E, have everything. So we can conclude now. Okay. Therefore, the coordinate points dividing the segment AB in the 5 congruent parts are C is 16, 12 and D is 12, 14 and E is 8, 16 and F is 4, 18. Okay, dear children, I hope you would have understood what teacher had taught you. If you don't understand, refer twice and thrice. Definitely you will understand. Very simple and easy lesson, children. Only this much is there and the remaining part is get omitted. After doing this, complete the practice set 2. Okay, thank you and God bless you all.